Hello my friends, Enrique here, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look how to fix high memory and CPU usage because of the Windows Media Player sharing functionality. If you have enabled the media sharing on the Windows Media Player, this will scan automatically all your files, searching for images and videos they can share in the network. This is going to make a big spike of usage of your CPU and memory. But what happens when this spike don't go down, or if the service keep on taking a lot of memory and a lot of usage from your CPU? Well, I'm going to show you how you can disable it. But first of all, you have to be sure that this file is the actual file from Microsoft, because it have happened that sometimes using the same name file is a virus or a Trojan hidden into this, and for that you want to open the Task Manager, right click on the Status menu and open the Task Manager. In here, go into the Details tab, go all the way down until you find this file right here, right click on it, click on Properties, and you have to be sure that the location of this file is C Program Files Windows Media Player. If it's not in Program Files Windows Media Player, it's really highly possible that can be a virus or a Trojan in your system. For that, of course, you're going to be needing to use an antivirus. Now close all of this, and I'm going to show you how to disable it and stop it. Go into the search bar, type services and open it. Now you want to scroll all the way down, or you can simply click in any of these ones and type the W. This will take you to all the services that start with the letter W. And in here you want to search for the Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service right here. You can right click on it and simply click on stop. This will stop the service for running in this moment. But if you also want to disable the automatic startup for the Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service, you want to double click on it, and in here the startup type you want to change this from automatic to manual. This, of course, is not a 100% fix. Every time you open the Windows Media Player again, this is going to start once more. So another thing that you can do is completely disable it by clicking right here, disable. Click on apply and then OK. The last thing that you can probably do is turn off the media streaming completely from the Windows Media Player. And for that, you want to go into the control panel. For that, you can right click into the search bar, type control panel. From here, go into the network sharing center and click into media streaming options. And here's where you can completely turn it off. And the last thing, of course, that you can do is to completely uninstall Windows Media Player if you don't want to use it, or if you use another media player into your Windows 10, like VLC for example. And for that, you want to launch more the control panel. By the way, guys, if you see it like this, you only have to change the view by category to click into large icon. In here, go into Programs and Features, and in here you want to click on Turn Windows Feature On or Off. Go into the folder we say Media Features, want to open it, and here is Windows Media Player. You only need to uncheck this mark and you will turn it off after you click yes. That is pretty much for this video. I really hope this fixed your problems. Drop a like if it did, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe, it's free and this will really help me out. Thanks for watching, my friend, and like always, see you on the next time. Bye bye.